A common issue within A-Math is the multiple combinations of formulas and concepts we can use. Most students tend to have difficulty identifying the quickest solution to a problem. In my course, you'll be provided with the tools you need to approach the exam, such as how to analyze, answer, and apply what you have learned to difficult questions.
One of the challenges we face in E-Math is the application of concepts to real-world problems. In my course, you will be given tools to help you analyze exam questions, determine which concept to apply, and solve with ease. I have personally customized topical summary sheets to aid in your understanding of tough concepts. You will also be taught answering techniques that will be sure to help you score and save time during the exam.
Memorization alone is not enough to score for geography. To score, you need to be able to accurately fulfill the exam-level question requirements. In my course, I have specially crafted topic-based structured questions and essays for each of the 6 topics covered in the O-level geography syllabus to revise answering techniques and important content knowledge. I will do a detailed analysis on the marks allocation with you. Follow my techniques and not let any marks slip through your fingers.
O-level 华文考试考察的不只是单一的知识点，更是考察大家的综合能力。在我的课程中，我将带领你一起探讨 O-level 常见的10大主题，熟悉各种题型的解题技巧，在主题学习中丰富词汇，积累好词好句，在题型解析中把握解题的关键。有了10大主题宝库，各种题型的答题秘要以及丰富的词汇量，再加上我为你准备的实战练习，你一定能顺利的过关斩将，取得好成绩。
I'm Visha.
I'm Vivian.
I'm Fermin.
我是智贤
And we are here to guide you anytime, anywhere.